Hello everyone, my name is Sadegh and I will introduce you to GovCircle, the comprehensive platform for Cardano's governance. You can find a proposal with name of GovCircle, and as you can see we have received many good scores from community reviews. Your vote has power and we appreciate it. So let us take a look at GovCircle and big picture. As you can see, it consists of many modules. Let us start from top here, the Constitution module. So we're planning to have a structured model of Constitution in a way so we can store it on-chain using smart contracts instead of only saving the hash of the Constitution. So this is the current model that we are considering. We'll have categories that can either be article or appendixes. Each category can have many rules. So by rule we are referring to sections in the Constitution right now. You will be familiar with these keywords if you have read it. So sections can have relation with each other. They can refer each other. And we will save any changes to the sections, so we will have a version history of each section, and subsequently we will have a version history of all the Constitution this way. And this module will come very handy in the other modules, and you will see it. The next module is the governance module, which consists of two parts, on-chain and off-chain parts. So the on-chain is all the concepts that are covered in SIP 1694 and are already available in GovTool, like action submission, voting, and DREP registration. We'll provide the same stuff that GovTool provides, but with additional the off-chain stuff, like the ability for the representative like SPOs and DREPs to use DAOs for better communication with their delegators. We'll have Circle module, which we'll discuss later in this video, and educational programs will be very helpful to have them in a tool that is related to the governance. So currently it all happen in Web 2, but with maturity of layer 2 solutions like Hydra, we will considering to use these technologies as well. And then we have the communication module, which is all about communication. So the space is something like a channel where the representatives like SPO and DREP and also other roles like CCs can let their subscribers know what they are up to. We'll have the ability of voice and video streaming. We will have social media integration, and then we'll have the event management, which is very useful in the other modules. You will see where the representative or other actors can use to hold events, and they can choose the event holders, the event manager, and other roles that are involved in the event. The circle is one of very important module in our platform. As you can see, the name comes from the round table to give the feeling of being equal around a table. It consists of two phases, pre-submission and post-submission. In pre-submission, actors who have decided to propose something will use communication module to form online gatherings like Zoom meetings, YouTube Live, and X Spaces to work on their idea, refine it, and make a final proposal with related documentations out of them, which will be ready to publish. In a post-submission, all the actors will participate in formal communication to express their opinion and ideas. As you can see here, down here, the flow starts here with community communication, and then the proposers and the selected people will communicate with each other, make a final proposal, and then it's reached the action submission. And there is a subphase here which called action check, where CCs form a gathering using communication module, and by facilitating a tool from constitution module which is called action checker to verify if the proposal align with the constitution. Now here CC's activities will be transparent to the community. And the last module here is the governance health check, which basically is an analytic dashboard which DREPs, SPOs, CCs, and all the other community members can use. It shows analytic data in specified periods, like how many votings have been held, how many people participated in those votings, how many proposals have been made, how many gatherings are being formed, and all this useful data to show how active the community, the governance of Cardano actually is. So this was the GovCircle in big picture. I hope you like it. And as I told you earlier, you can find us in Project Catalyst with name GovCircle. We'll be happy if you vote us. Thank you very much, and goodbye.